Well, it's Friday the 13th, and this is the surprise we had for today. Just when we got rid of all the snow and ice, and now we're going to get another 2 days of snow this weekend. Gave my guys some food. That's the last of the peanuts today, I'm afraid, buddy. So I hope you enjoy that. Yep, the squirrel's coming in, trying to get the last of the nuts. And I guess later today I'll be shoveling snow. These guys are scurrying around trying to find whatever food's left over. That snow came down really fast. Covered up all the peanuts I threw out there. But these guys will sniff them out. I have no doubt. There's a peanut up there somewhere, buddy.